Dear students, following question is a question from dimensional analysis of water resource engineering, and here it is given that a river model is constructed to horizontal scale of 1:1000 and model discharge is given as 0.1 meter cube per second. It is asked that what would be the discharge of river if scaling is done to ratio of 1:1000. Now since we are talking about a river model and we know that for river gravity is a predominant force that controls flow of the river, and same will be the case for model also. Now for gravity force to be predominant, we know that Froude number of the model should be equal to Froude number of prototype, because Froude number being ratio of gravitational forces is to inertial forces is the best representation when gravity is the predominant force. Gives us V upon root GD of model should be equal to V upon root GD of prototype. We know the value of discharge for prototype and area can be modeled as L square. G is same because both model and prototype they are situated on earth, making value of G as same, and D, that is D, or what we call as wetted radius or hydraulic mean radius to be correct scientific term, which is defined as ratio of area is to top width, can also be modeled in dimensions of length, making final relation as 0.1 L raised to power 5 by 2 equal to Q L raised to power 5 by 2 for prototype. Now scales are known for each of them, so Q comes out as 1000 raised to power 5 by 2 into 0.1, making option C, that is 3.16 into 10 to the power 6 as the correct and closest choice in meter cube per second. So correct answer is C. So here you saw that how simply we approach the question. First of all, identify the predominant force, equate the corresponding number, like in this case we equated Froude number. Once Froude number is obtained, convert the statement in terms of dimension, that is we converted A, D, G in terms of dimensions of length. Just take the ratio of L of prototype is to L of model, which is given as 1:1000 is for, definitely it's for model is to prototype. So for prototype is to model, it comes out as 1000:1, which we have done in equation number 2. This is marked as equation number 1. So Q comes out as 3.16 into 10 to the power 6. Thank you.